is down outside the window. Looks like the one that we just passed. They call this the bullet train, but it feels like we're not moving. Though I know we must be moving. Yes, I know we must be moving. No, we must be moving. No, we must be moving pretty fast. That steward with his trolley, now going down the aisle. He was a school friend from my hometown. I was in love with for a while. I thought I heard some talk. He settled in New York, became some kind of Wall Street super lawyer. So why